I'm James Flatman, Notion Fabrication and Shop Manager, Lead Welder at Cruising Kitchens, and today I'm getting started on flatbed for my mobile welding fabrication rig. Right now I'm figuring out the layout for my flatbed and boxes. First thing you want to take into account is what material you're going to use, whether you need to save weight or you have a personal preference. I'm using aluminum to cut weight down a little bit, and right now I'm going through mapping out how many cross beams to have on that bed to support weight. Because sometimes the weight, items that I have on the flatbed are going to be towards the back, towards the front. So I want to make sure I have enough support under there so that overall the tray doesn't bow. May have a bunch of welders up the front one day, toolbox another day. So you got to kind of take all of that into account when you're laying out the design of your